You don't trust yourself anymore. And that scares you more than anything they did. Because it's not just about them now. It's about you thinking, how did I not see it? How did I let it go that far? And what if I make the same mistake again? So now, every decision feels heavier. Every new person feels like a risk. Every small red flag feels like a warning sign you might miss again. And suddenly, you're not just protecting your peace. You're questioning your own judgment. This is the part no one prepares you for. Because toxic situations don't just hurt you. They confuse you, blur your instincts, and make you doubt things you used to feel clearly. You start replaying everything. The conversations. The moments you ignored your gut. The times something felt off, but you stayed anyway. And now your brain is trying to fix it by overthinking everything. So now, you hesitate, analyze, and second-guess even the smallest decisions. Because somewhere deep down, you don't fully trust your own judgment anymore. But here's what most people get wrong. You didn't trust the wrong person because your instincts were broken. You trusted them while overriding your instincts. That's the big difference. And it changes everything. Think about it. There were small, quiet moments where something didn't feel right. Maybe you couldn't explain it or you brushed it off. Maybe you told yourself you were overthinking. But it was there. Your awareness didn't fail you. It spoke to you. You just didn't listen to it fully. And that's not something to shame yourself for. It's something to understand. Because now, the goal isn't to become someone who never makes mistakes. The goal is to become someone who listens sooner. Before we continue, if you'd like to discover some of the most powerful persuasion techniques to get anyone to do anything, just click the link in the description below. Now let's continue with the video and show you how to shift everything. You stop asking, can I trust myself to always be right? And you start asking, can I trust myself to respond when something feels wrong? That's a completely different kind of confidence. Because trusting yourself doesn't mean you'll never meet another toxic person. It means you won't stay the same way you did before. You'll notice sooner, feel it faster, and most importantly, you'll act on it. But right now, you might be doing the opposite or shutting yourself down. You might be becoming more guarded, more closed, more unsure. And it feels safe. But it's not growth. It's fear in disguise. Because real self-trust isn't built by avoiding everything. It's built by staying connected to yourself, even when things are uncertain. So instead of trying to be perfect, start small. Notice how you feel around people. Not what they say or how they present themselves, but how you feel after interacting with them. Drained? Confused? At peace? Respected? Your body will tell you things your mind tries to justify. And this time, don't ignore it. Just acknowledge it. That alone rebuilds trust faster than anything else. Because every time you listen to yourself, even in small ways, you send a message internally, I've got you now, and slowly, that confidence comes back. Not all at once, but steadily. Until one day, you realize something has changed. You're not overthinking every interaction anymore. You're not questioning every decision. You're not afraid of getting it wrong. Because you know, even if something doesn't work out, you won't abandon yourself trying to make it work. And that's real trust. So if you feel unsure right now, if you feel like something inside you is broken, it's not. You're just learning how to listen to yourself again. And this time, you won't ignore what you hear. Click the description below to learn extremely powerful persuasion techniques to get anyone to do anything. Then watch this video next to discover why cutting off toxic people makes you feel guilty.